Welcome back. Traffic in Margao has always been a great problem for the citizens of the city. Goa 365 decided to do a reality check on the roads of the city. Congestion, traffic jams, these words have always been associated with the city of Margao. The problems have only got worse in the past few years. The rise of vehicles on the roads are said to be a cause of the problem. But besides that, parking in no parking zones, stopping at stops not demarcated as bus stops to collect passengers are also a few more causes. According to the citizens, the police are not doing their duty to the fullest.
The police is only lifting scooters and stopping private cars for having tinted glasses. But there's no action being taken against the buses. They stop near State Bank, go a little forward, and right under the nose of the police they stop again and take passengers. And the police is doing nothing about it.
So according to that is the cause of...
Yes, the traffic jams, the accidents. Why should they stop everywhere? They have their stops. So they are supposed to stop only where there are bus stops. And that is happening right in front of the police itself.
Noise pollution and the rise of accidents caused on the route also attribute to the traffic jam.
See, they are parking the vehicle here and they become all traffic jam. It's a regular feature, Parking near the State Bank, they become so many problems. One of the people are going crossing the road, they are also affected. Secondly, the people who are going to bank also. If you see in banking hours, morning time, 10 to 2 o'clock, always noise pollution. Even the effect for the health of the people who are going to bank and even the staff also. And if you see line time during 1:30 to 4 o'clock, policemen are not here. That has become one of the big problems, you understand?
Yeah.
Even I will tell you, within the last 10 years, most of the accidents happen on this road and other side of Mali's, most of the people have expired on spot death. There is no control, no? Am I right?
While the police are of the opinion that there is no traffic jam at all that takes place in Margao.
क्रॉसिंग असल्या कारणान थिंगा की लोक जमा जाता तेन्ना आमकां ट्रॅफिक स्टॉप करची पडटा. स्टॉप केल्यानंतर लोकांक दिसता ते आमी ट्रॅफिक जाम जाता म्हणून, पण ती ट्रॅफिक जाम जाना लोक क्लियर केले, झेब्रा क्रॉसिंग असले ते क्लियर केल्यानंतर आमी परत ट्रॅफिक सोडटा ती आणि मागीर ट्रॅफिक क्लियर जाता. तितून काय व्हडलेशें येना. कित्याक हे क्रॉसिंग 2-3 रोड आहा तेका लागून हे जाता, कित्याक गार्डना कडल्यान येणारो लोक कळ्ळें तुका की मार्केटिंग करून येता तो लोक तुकाच एकदम येयल्यानंतर थंय मातशी जर आमकां स्टॉप करची पडटा ट्रॅफिक. तेका लागून लोकांक जर मातसो टायम जाता आनी लोक मागीर बेजारता, कित्याक कितले वगत तूं कित्याक ट्रॅफिक दवरता काय म्हणून हें करून, कित्याक तांकां क्रॉसिंग करपा जाय न्ही. तेका लागून त्या लोकांक दिसता की ट्रॅफिक जाम जाता अशें, पण ट्रॅफिक काय जाम जायना, ट्रॅफिक सरळ चलता.
Speaking to Goa 365, the Margao Traffic Cell Police Inspector Dharmesh Angle blamed the people at large who lack civic sense.
People lack a lot of civic sense in our country actually, not only Goa. Forget about the jaywalking part of it. But even the riders and the four-wheeler drivers lack civic sense. We fail to realize that a pedestrian is the first traffic of any city. Right now what is happening is the person with the bigger car thinks is the boss of the road, which has to change totally. This culture has to be developed in our state, that when you see a pedestrian crossing, please stop, let him pass by. The pedestrian is the first traffic of any city.
Speaking further, Mr. Angle said that the reason for traffic jams is the National Highway 17 that passes through the city of Margao, which adds to the confusion on the roads, and gave a few of his own suggestions to solve traffic jams in the city.
National 17 highway is passing through my city. Now because of that, all the traffic which is coming down south from Panjim area is passing through my city and going towards the south. Now there was an eastern bypass missing link which has already been constructed. Now people can pass from the eastern bypass and go down south. They don't need to come to the city unless he requires to come here. He can bypass the city and go out and out towards the south. Okay, and again we are having considerations like ring roads. Once the ring roads come up, it will make a lot of difference to the main roads in Margao. The traffic on the main roads will be considerably reduced.
Time for a short break here with Goa 365.